Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read essay What Makes the Person Popular. Let's get started. Everybody wants to be popular among his relatives, friends and other people. One should have a certain qualities to gain popularity. It is necessary for a person to be kind-hearted. He should be sincere. He would have friendly nature. His behavior should be very good. He will be cooperative. He will never try to insult others. He will be loving nature. He must respect children and his elders. He will always be ready to help others. He must do his work regularly and honestly. He should not join the bad company. A person who wishes to be popular in his family should respect his parents. He should not quarrel with his brothers and sisters. He must try to help his parents to do different domestic tasks. He should help his younger brothers and sisters in studies. A popular student respects his teachers. He does his homework and classwork regularly. He passes all his exams with good position. He helps his fellow students in studies. He is also very good in extracurricular activities. He takes part in debates and sports. A popular person helps the needy and poor. He helps the old and disabled people. Thus, a person having all these qualities become popular. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.